I don't know how to explain it much.
Cheers. We weren't supposed to eat it. We're supposed to make cheers. We're gonna eat some tasty treats.
Wow.
Treats. We're gonna eat. This is where people come to make out at night.
Yeah, mostly from high school.
Yeah.
Because it's not normal to make out outside in Turkey.
So they gotta hide. We're spilling all the Turkish tea.
Hey!
What's happening, Conquer Bros?
What's up, guys?
We are here outside again. Nice. This is Emir.
It is my baby Sarah.
We're going to try Turkish snacks.
First of all, our computer is broken.
Yeah, our computer broke.
Unfortunately, we don't know when we're gonna post this. Kinda loud here. She's gonna try Turkish snacks. Actually, she doesn't like much. She only eat chips.
Yeah, I'm going to close my eyes and look in the bag. And yeah, I'm gonna pick and I'm gonna try it. What's that? Okay, this one.
First thing.
Nice. Rondo. This is not American. I don't know what it is.
There's a cream
Ooh, good.
between two cookies.
Oh, it's strawberry.
Yes, strawberry.
Nice.
As you like.
We will try this one.
Don't eat much because I will eat the rest.
You think I'm gonna eat all the snacks in that bag?
Yes!
So this is what it looks like. It looks like a flower in the back. That's kind of cool.
You can think like Oreo,
Like a
like cream and cookie.
strawberry.
You can have it when you are having tea.
Yes, you should try it.
With you. This is our friend.
Çevireyim mi? Merhaba arkadaşlar. Aynı dili konuşuyoruz. Yanınızda bir sıkıntı yok.
Abone olmayı.
Arada abone olmayı unutmayın. Emir'in göndermesi. Benim için de abone olun yani sıkıntı yok. Hepinize selamlar tekrardan. Yayına dönelim.
Thank you, Kanki bro.
Yes, I give this a 5 out of 10 because it's good. Like I would snack on this while watching a
Wanna try,
movie.
bro?
Yeah.
No.
And
Biz biliyoruz
I like
oğlum.
strawberry. It's nice.
Next one.
Okay.
What
Am I supposed to get it upside down? Yes, I am. This is like chips, I guess. It's their pretzels.
Yeah, pretzel. We
Crack.
call it
Crack.
stick, çubuk.
Chupu. This is not in America
Chili and
either.
lime. It's spicy.
So I guess there are many flavors of this.
How is it smell?
I don't like spicy like this. I like sweet.
Actually,
Okay.
I like sour things, so I'll try it.
Maybe I'm trying first time.
I like it.
It was good?
I like this.
No.
This is nine and a half. I like
Nine
it.
and a half.
It's 9.5.
Thanks.
Take some. You guys know Takis? It's like less flavor of Takis. We have chip called Taki in America. They're like spicy, like Cheetos, but they're not Cheetos. They're really good.
What's the other name?
Taki.
Chucky.
Taki.
Chucky.
Taki.
Chucky like film?
Not
Taki.
turkey.
Taki.
Tamam.
I love Taki, guys. Very good.
Very good.
This is Fuse iced tea.
Fuse.
Watermelon.
You read a fuse?
No, I thought you guys read Fuse.
You said fuse tea.
Yeah, I say fuse, but you say the in the.
But it's English name, maybe.
You stupid. You stupid.
Oh, this is cute. Oh, look, it's a little cloud. I don't know what it says poof, puff, poof,
Puf. Evet puf.
cacao.
Yeah.
Like that's a flavor, I guess. Cocoa.
Yes.
I think it's a marshmallow with
Yes.
the cookie.
Yeah, wrong
Pink.
side. Turn it.
Oh, I need to turn like
Yes.
this. Okay, careful, guys. I almost dropped it.
It was a culture for us.
Yes, these.
Puf culture.
We eat Snickers in America. We like Snickers.
Bizde Snickers yok. Biz
There's no Snickers in Turkey.
Snickers are so expensive for us.
What's Snickers?
You
Var
know
ya
the
oğlum,
chocolate.
Şey,
You've
metroya
never even
benzeyenler
heard
var
of
ya.
it. You don't know what Snickers are? Yeah. Chocolate bar. It smells good. That's nice. That's nice, see? It's marshmallow. 10-10.
Ten.
Nice.
It's
Puf
good.
aldı. 10 numarayı aldı.
It's good.
Puf abi ya, her zaman.
None for you.
How dare you?
What's this?
Pico.
Pico.
Chocolate with the dried fruit, I think, right?
We don't like to put fruit in our chocolate unless it's
But
trail mix.
this is only orange and cringe patlani ola ki.
Orange and chocolate?
Rice, you know,
Rice.
something like rice pop.
Yes.
This
And
chocolate is cheapest chocolate in Turkey, I think.
really?
So delicious.
You like it?
I like it. Zorunlu olarak.
Are there different? I'm not excited to eat orange and chocolate together. That doesn't sound nice. Okay.
They are no say money to money.
It looks cool. It has a little
Go.
design on it.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Bam.
I taste the orange.
Ya inşallah
It's
portakal.
not that bad. Actually, I was very surprised. I thought this was gonna be bad. It's not that
It's
bad.
about his price, but it's so good.
Yeah,
I
it's
say to
not
you,
bad.
it's delicious.
I'm really picky when it comes to sweet food. I don't hate this. Like I would eat this in the theater while I watch a movie.
Yeah, I'm surprised you like it.
But you can't eat the rest. Maybe I give 5. Like the other one,
Five.
5.
5.
Yeah, it's not bad. And I taste the orange. That's really weird.
But puff is better than pickle.
Yeah, it's better.
Var mı hala?
3 tane.
It's my favorite.
What is it?
But
Ah,
but you should try with,
With tea.
tea too.
Come on.
Kind of open. Okay. We have something kind of like this in America.
Yes.
Hush.
Hoş beş.
Yes, you did it. Hoşbeş.
I don't know how to explain hoş beş.
Cheers. We weren't supposed to eat it. We're supposed to make cheers. Okay. Guys, greedy. Okay. It has coconut. I don't like coconut.
You don't like coconut,
Mm-mm.
but you should. You're gonna love this. Alamıyorum lan. Hah, al.
Noise.
Did you feel the? Did you feel the sugar?
Yeah. Actually, these aren't dry like these. These are really dry. This is actually, I like these better than this. I give this like a 6.
Evet. Bir 6'ya al kapta.
If you close your eyes and imagine yourself in a Miami Beach.
There's one more. This one. These are illegal in America. What? Because they have toys inside. I'm excited. I never ate one of these before because they're going to make me go to jail if I ever take one to my city. How do I open it? Like this? Oh.
Wow.
Whoa, look!
They changed.
What the heck
It
is
wasn't like this when we were kids.
Wow.
what was it like when you were a kid?
There was a small box in the chocolate.
They have like their Instagram. They're bougie. Oh, look at the toys.
Where's Chucky? Where's Chucky?
Well, this is
What did you
cool.
show?
Why are I don't know why
Değişmiş
these
mi
are
bu?
illegal if they're not in the chocolate. Look at my little toy. It's a dinosaur.
Abi bunun olayı içinden çıkmasaydı. Çikolatanın içinden çıkıyordu.
Oh, no.
Onu diyorum ya değişik şey.
I think I put the tail back here.
Değişiyor be işler böyle.
Okay, so I think the tail
Dinozor
like
mu?
that.
It's dog?
Dragon Şeye benziyor, Pokemon.
Wait.
Is that her?
What the heck?
2 very boring minutes later.
Köpek dedi şunu ya.
I definitely effed that up in the beginning, but hey, it's cute.
It's gonna watch me eat this Toblerone. I mean, not Toblerone. What is it? An egg chocolate.
What is that?
It was amazing for us when we are child. But böyle değildi oğlum bu eskiden.
Aynen ya, Toto vardı ya, bilirsiniz dostlar.
Wait! This actually looks like a cereal in my country we call Cocoa Puff.
I saw it first time in my life.
Really?
For you.
Oh, that was the spoon. I thought that was the
Take your choice.
glue. So I eat it. Yeah, I thought it was the glue.
Like ice cream.
No, çak.
Didn't check. Değişik.
Toto olaydı.
That's sweet. That's really, really sweet. It tastes like the inside of an Oreo. Oh, it's really sweet. Like
Sweet.
3. Like,
3.
Yeah, because I'm obviously it's for kids.
It
They
is.
want the sugar, but
it has a toy with
Yeah.
chocolate.
see, this is a 10. This is my little friend.
Very good.
What's gonna be its name?
I don't know, Coco.
Coco is dangerous name in Turkey.
No, really?
Yeah, drugs
Oh.
belki
Oh,
yani
no, we
olabilir
call it
de olur
Coke.
ama zor zaman.
Puff or Coco? Because those remind me of Cocoa Puff.
Puff. Evet.
Puff. Like call them Puff or Poof. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you
Hey buddy.
to our friend for being here.
She will try more Turkish foods.
Oh,
You
no.
can comment, you understand.
Which ones you want me to try next? Thank you, guys.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, follow, and
Abone olmayı unutmayın arkadaşlar. Benim için de ilginç oldu. Yani hakikaten çok ilginç bir şey. İlk defa böyle bir şey söyledim. Beğenmeyi ve abone olmayı unutmayın arkadaşlar. Kendinize iyi bakın.
Zen. Bye bye.
bye.